how to transfer money from credit card to Cash App. So here's what we want to do. First, load up your Cash App application and click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. Now from here, we will go and scroll down until we see linked banks. Click on linked banks and then you will choose linked debit card. Now this usually accepts debit and credit cards as well. So here what we want to do is input our card number, see if it accepts it. If it doesn't, what we're going to do instead is select no card. And then what this is going to do, it's going to load up a list of all of the different banking institutions. So we will link our bank account and it's going to link our credit card along with it. So for example, if you're a Chase Bank user, you will choose Chase Bank. If you're a Bank of America user, you will choose Bank of America. Afterwards, you will just click on continue to log in and this is going to link your Bank of America account with Cash App. Now, once you have linked your credit card or your bank account here with Cash App, we will click on the banking icon found in the bottom left. And then here we will choose add cash. You can choose one of the pre-selected amounts here from this screen, or if you want to do a custom amount, you will click on the three dots and then you will type the amount which you want to withdraw. Click on add, and if you have successfully linked your credit card or bank account, it is going to take the money from your bank or credit card and withdraw it into your Cash App. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.